Let's take a walk through apartment number 1, and this is in building number 1930 here, part of Brick Row, Shires Housing. This is a walk-up unit, so you come in and up the stairs. And as you get to the top of the stairs, we're going to go right to start. This is the dining area with hardwood floors and a storage closet. And as we turn around, you can see the new kitchen and a very cute little half wall detail there to open up the space. Crossing over, we get to the bedroom. This is a nice sized room. And as with all these units, really very nice light. And around the corner is the full bathroom. And there you have it, apartment number 1.